Assalamu alaikum students of grade 5. Students, today I will explain chapter 16, information handling. In this chapter I will tell you about graph. Students, you have learned about graph in your previous class, but in this chapter I will tell you more about graph. First of all, we know about graph. Graph help us to answer the question by showing data in pictures. Graph help us to see the immediate result. Picture graph, bar graph, line graph, and circular or pie graph are different types of graph. In this chapter, we will discuss line graph and pie graph. Now, let us start line graph. In this graph, data is displayed by dots or point on graph paper. The dots are joined together by a line and we get a line graph of the required information. Let us start exercise 16.1, page number 144, question number 1. This graph shows attendance of class 5 during a week. The title of this graph is attendance during a week. There are two lines or axes, one horizontal line, S-axis, which shows days of the week, and another is vertical line, y-axis, which shows students' attendance. According to information or data of this graph, write. Answer the following question. Now move to question answer. Question number 1. Prepare the chart showing the daily attendance of the class. सबसे पहले आप एक ग्राफ बनाएंगे जो कि अभी आपको शो किया गया है. क्वेश्चन 1. दिस ग्राफ you draw on graph paper and paste in your copy. Now question number 2. How many students were present on Tuesday and Friday? Tuesday and Friday, 30 students. How many students were present on Wednesday? On Wednesday, 30, and after 3 blocks, 33 students. On which day the least number of students were present? On which day? Least Monday and Thursday are least students present. On which day the most number of students were present? Saturday. Now question number 2, page number 145. This graph shows the number of liters of petrol used by a car during a week. The title of this graph is number of liters of petrol used. Vertical axis shows liter and horizontal axis shows days of the week. According to information or data of this graph, write answer the following question. Now question number 1 is, how many liters of petrol were used on Monday? Monday, 25 liters. How many liters of petrol were used on Tuesday? Tuesday, 15 liters. How many liters of petrol was used on Thursday? Thursday, 20 liters. On which day is the most petrol used? Wednesday and Saturday. On which days was the least petrol used? Friday and Sunday. On which days was the amount of petrol used 3 times on that used on Friday and Sunday? 3 times more? Wednesday and Saturday. यानी कि 3 times more petrol जो है उनका सेल हुआ, यूज हुआ. What was the difference in the amount of petrol used on Friday and Saturday? Friday और Saturday के पेट्रोल में क्या डिफरेंस है जो आपने यूज़ किया? Now Friday 10 liters and Saturday 30 liters. So 30 minus 10, the 20 liters petrol, difference of 20 liters petrol. Okay students, do these 2 questions of exercise 16.1. 16.1 question 1, this graph and question. Question 2, this graphs and question in your copy. and paste the graph in your copy also. This is two graphs. Paste in your copy and do page number 153 in your worksheet pad. Which month had the highest temperature? Which month had the lowest temperature? What is the difference in temperature between February and May? How many months have a temperature higher than 30 centigrade? What is the average of temperature in Pakistan over the year? Now do these 5 questions in your worksheet pad. And this is your homework. Do exercise 16.1, question 1 and question 2, page number 144 and 145 in your copy, and do page number 153 in your worksheet pad. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.